It is Christmas, and I am hoping that you have had a good day or you are still having a good day. And if your day is starting right now, then I am wishing you a great day ahead. And I want to take this opportunity to wish you and your family a Merry Christmas. And it is time to celebrate and enjoy this festive season with your loved ones. And if you are alone, you should also take time to actually be grateful for what you already have. And if you can, or if you are able to, I would also encourage you to extend that spirit of generosity to the people in your estate, in your neighborhood, or the people who may not have anything to celebrate, or people who are in less fortunate situations who are finding it a little bit difficult to celebrate Christmas this year. Christmas is a very good day, it's a great day, but at the same time, you also need to remember that it is just one day. So do not make decisions or take actions that could have far-reaching consequences for you or your family. That includes you need to be careful if you are driving. You also need to be careful in terms of what you are eating and also avoid excessive drinking of alcoholic beverages. But that does not mean that you should not enjoy it. It just means that you need to do it in a more responsible way and ensure that you are taking care of yourself as well as the people that you love. At the same time, I want you to take today, or at least a few minutes today, to also think of how you can be able to start an income-generating online business in Kenya today. And I don't mean that you need to do it today. It's just that you need to spend some time to think of how you can go about it, especially as we get into the new year. This is because you may be looking for ways to increase your income, you may be looking for ways to actually start a side hustle, or you may actually be broke and jobless and you're looking for something productive to do. Starting an online business in Kenya may be that one idea, and doesn't take you a lot, doesn't take a lot of investment, but at least I know it will take you your time. It will take time for you to actually build it. And this all starts by having the idea and being curious to find out how you can be able to do this, how online businesses work, and how online businesses make money. Because if you can be able to take time, research, go online on YouTube or on Google, you can be able to find that. And I know you have data because you may have data to participate in other social media. So you can use that same data to equip yourself with information and knowledge that can help you to actually start an income-generating online business in Kenya. There are quite a number of various business models that you can start, ideas that can make you money online. And that is what you need to spend 30 minutes or an hour today actually reading or researching on. I've created a video with 5 online business ideas that you can start on a weekend or at least within 48 hours in Kenya. Now I'm going to link it on the description below for you to go and watch it. If you have come this far on this video, I want you to do me a favor. Go to the comment section below and write 2 words, Merry Christmas. Yes, just those 2 words, Merry Christmas. And the reason why I am asking you to do this is because I want us to spread the spirit of Merry Christmas to each other and at least be able to encourage each other, or at least show each other that we are actually in the mood of the Christmas. And the reason why I'm asking you to do this is because I want us to celebrate each other. I want us to spread the spirit of Christmas to each other. And even if you watch this video days after the Christmas day is over, still go ahead and write those 2 words on the comment section below, Merry Christmas. It is one of the ways in which we can actually share this experience and the goodness of Christmas. And I ask you to write those 2 words in the comment section for a couple of reasons. And number 1 is that when we say these things, when we actually verbalize those words, it helps to reprogram our subconscious to start seeing the positives that come with the Christmas period. It shows how kind we are, how generous we are, and the spirit of Christmas actually becomes something that we truly appreciate. It's a way for us to show gratitude for this far that we have had this year. Words are very powerful, and sometimes words can help actually overcome our limiting beliefs and be able to see things in a more positive way. That despite the economy in Kenya not being at its best, you can still be able to celebrate the little that you have, especially with your brothers and sisters, with your fellow Kenyans. The second reason is the fact that when you do that, YouTube algorithm likes it. When the YouTube algorithm sees you subscribing, commenting, or liking on a video, it gives it a chance by expanding it to reach more people who actually would appreciate maybe getting this particular message. And so this would be a small way for you to help the growth of this YouTube channel. The third reason why I have asked you to write those two words in the comment section is because it also gives me an opportunity to say thank you to you and to the people who get to the end of this video. And this is because saying thank you and showing gratitude to the people who watch my videos is something that I want to always do. Sometimes it can become actually a full-time job, especially if you get a lot of comments. Not that I am complaining about it. Saying thank you and showing gratitude is something that I want to do, is something that I want to continue doing. And while sometimes it can almost become a full-time job if you have a lot of comments, I still want to do it. And that's why I want to say thank you to you for your generosity, for your time, and for your support, and for watching this video and other of my videos to the end. If you have found value in this video and any other of my videos, I want you to stick around and check out the other videos that I have on this YouTube channel with regard to how you can be able to start an income generating online business in Kenya. I've created a video with 5 online business ideas that you can start on a weekend or at least within 48 hours in Kenya. Now I'm going to link it on the description below for you to go and watch it. These 5 ideas that I'm going to share with you, while not exhaustive, represent some of the most profitable side hustles that you can start online in Kenya on a weekend. And the idea here is that you can leverage the power of the internet and content marketing to actually monetize your knowledge, your skills, your expertise, hobbies, passions, or life experiences. You can use your already existing advantages to actually make money online in Kenya by taking advantage of any of these online business ideas and starting an income generating online business in Kenya on a weekend. I appreciate you for showing up, and I hope that you are showing up for yourself, and I do hope that you're going to have a wonderful day.